Okay, so you applied to Monzo and got rejected. Bummer, right? But don't worry, I'm here to help you figure out why and what you can do next. Why did Monzo reject my application? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Unfortunately, Monzo isn't always the most transparent about their rejection reasons. But don't give up just yet. There are a few common reasons why your application might have been rejected. Reason number 1, you didn't meet their eligibility criteria. Monzo has some specific requirements for new customers. For example, you need to be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and have a valid UK bank account. If you didn't meet any of these criteria, that could be why your application was rejected. Reason number 2, you have a bad credit score. Monzo takes creditworthiness into account when considering new applications. If you have a low credit score, it's possible that they rejected your application because they don't think you're a good risk. Reason number 3, you have a history of fraud or other financial crimes. Monzo takes fraud very seriously. If you have a history of fraud or other financial crimes, they're likely to reject your application. Reason number 4, you didn't provide enough information. Monzo may have rejected your application if you didn't provide enough information about yourself or your finances. This could include things like your income, employment history, and address. Reason number 5, they're just being selective. Monzo is a popular bank, and they get a lot of applications. They can afford to be selective, so they may have rejected your application simply because they didn't think you were the right fit for them. What can I do now? If you're not sure why your application was rejected, you can contact Monzo and ask them for more information. They may be able to tell you specifically why your application was rejected. If you think your application was rejected for a valid reason, you can try to improve your chances of being approved in the future. For example, you could work on improving your credit score or saving up more money. If you think your application was rejected unfairly, you can complain to the Financial Ombudsman Service. The Financial Ombudsman Service is an independent organization that helps people resolve financial disputes. Getting rejected by Monzo can be frustrating, but it's not the end of the world. There are plenty of other banks out there that will be happy to have you as a customer. Just don't give up, and keep trying until you find the right bank for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.